In the post-automation epoch of 2026, the fabric of organizational operations is no longer woven solely from discrete human skills, nor from unfettered machine execution. Instead, it is a hybrid mesh, an orchestrated symphony in which augmented intelligence is both the conductor and the instrument. This transformation reframes work not as a dichotomy between human and machine, but as a deeply interdependent choreography, the centerpiece of competitive strategy. The journey begins with reimagining workflows. No longer is an organization's value chain a linear assembly of human-assigned tasks. Instead, strategic advantage lies in a careful triage. At one end are tasks perfectly matched to AI's rapid pattern recognition and data processing capabilities, executed autonomously and invisibly. Adjacent to this are guided resolutions, where AI drafts, proposes, and simulates, but cedes the final judgment to humans. The apex lies in augmented discovery, where humans harness AI as an exploratory engine, charting unstructured, ambiguous terrain that is vital for innovation. Here, humans shift roles from builders of systems to orchestrators of intelligence. Governance frameworks become paramount as AI agents gain autonomy. The discipline of human-in-the-loop, HITL, is elevated beyond validation. HITL becomes the ethical fulcrum, a dynamic process of intent management where the human acts as a steward of organizational values and social responsibility. This oversight is not optional. Unchecked algorithms risk reinforcing biases, misaligning strategy with societal expectations, or, in the worst cases, generating plausible-sounding recommendations devoid of real-world viability. Thus, HITL is strategic, not procedural, a constant negotiation between speed and wisdom. Advancements in artificial cognition redefine agent roles from passive workflow tools to proactive collaborators. Unlike their 2024 counterparts, the cognitive agents of 2026 do not await commands. They continuously monitor for anomalies, anticipate disruptions, generate contingency strategies, and escalate to human partners only when ambiguity or critical judgment is required. For example, in supply chain management, the agent may autonomously analyze geopolitical unrest, anticipate bottlenecks, and surface multiple risk mitigation scenarios, enabling managers to exercise discretion rather than wade through raw information. The cognitive agent is no longer a subordinate. It is a sentient liaison. This alliance transforms decision velocity. The previous bottleneck, human cognition and bandwidth, is relieved as the AI manages logistics, orchestrates data flows, and handles procedural tasks in the interstices between human interventions. This between-task complementarity frees human capital for within-task complementarity, high-impact, context-dependent decisions such as partner negotiation, creative ideation, or ethical deliberation. The resulting synergy compresses decision cycles that once spanned weeks into actionable minutes, recalibrating the entire competitive landscape. Sustaining this paradigm demands that organizations invest in their human capital, beyond basic AI literacy, into the domain of human-autonomy synergy. This new fluency encompasses not only knowing what AI can do, but internalizing mental models of how AI processes information, reaches conclusions, and flags exceptions. Personnel are trained not just to operate AI, but to anticipate its errors, interpret its rationales, and calibrate their trust accordingly. The advantage passes to those who can deftly manage the dance, trusting AI to scale insights while retaining the capacity to intervene with human empathy and adaptable judgment. In this age, success is defined not by the total replacement of human expertise, nor by the unchecked amplification of AI capacity, but by the reflexive, intentional orchestration between the two. Those organizations that learn to govern, collaborate, and evolve with their AI partners will dominate the terrain of 2026 and beyond, embodying a future where the boundary between the organic and the algorithmic has, at last, been strategically and ethically dissolved.